Hey everyone, I'm Calvin, and today I'm going to be replacing this outside porch light. It quit working on us a little while back, and so I'm going to get to it today and try to get it replaced. Temperature outside is 39 degrees, so it might be a little cold for me, but let me get my camera set up so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll show you how to replace an outside porch light. They're actually very easy to do. You just need to follow safety recommendations. Okay, on the inside, I've already turned the electricity off at the panel box, and I also flipped the switch off right here at the door. And what I normally would use, I use a little voltmeter like this right here. I've been using this for many years, so I'm very familiar with how to use it. But if you don't know how to use a voltmeter, you need to get you one of these tools here. This is a voltage tester, and you can use this just to check the voltage to be sure there's no voltage present once you get it removed. So let me go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is take down the old light fixture. Okay, back here on this piece against the wall, there's two nuts on this one on that side and one over here on this side. So let me get both of these loosened up. And I'm having to hold the camera with one hand and work with one hand, so it may take me a little longer, but we'll see how things go. Okay, it's a little bit too tight to do it with just one hand, so I had to lay the camera down for a minute. Okay, I got them both off. Now this should just pull directly off, and you'll see inside there, on the inside, you've got a black wire, a white wire, and a copper wire. Okay, this is my voltage tester. I'm going to turn it on, and it beeps and it's got a green light. That means that it's on and working, and what you do is you touch each wire. If there's any voltage present, it'll turn red. That means there's voltage right here. I'm going to need to go back into my circuit breaker box and turn off the correct breaker. So let me lay the camera down. I'll be back in a minute. We'll check it again. Okay, I actually left my breaker on purpose so that I could show you how it worked, but now I've got the breaker off, and so I'm going to touch it. There's no voltage present now, so these wires are safe to work with. So this little device can save you a lot of heartaches. And this little adapter plate that's on here, I'm going to have to take it loose also to be able to get to it. It's got two screws that holds the adapter plate on it. Okay, I've got the adapter plate loose, so it should pull right off. And my wires are inside here, and these are actually put together with just tape, and so I'm going to change it and put on twist-on connectors for this. Okay, so I pulled it out a little bit better so you can see it, but on these light fixtures you only have three wires. You got the white wire, the black wire, and the little copper wire, which is a ground, and it will attach to the plate here, the adapter plate. So let me go ahead and get these taken loose. That was not put together too good to start with. There's no telling how old this light fixture is. It's up here. The house is about 55 years old. I got them both loose. Now I'm going to take the ground wire loose from the adapter plate. Okay, this is the new fixture here, and first thing I'm going to do is feed these two wires through the adapter plate so that it'll be on the right direction. Okay, the camera, I hope the camera's showing this from down there at that angle. This is the white wire. Twist it on, then take my little wire nut and twist it up on there too. Okay, I've got those two on very tight. So let me put this copper wire on the ground lug here now. Okay, I've got the copper wire on there now. So what I'm going to need to do now is push these two wires back inside the box. Now this is a sort of a small box, so you got to be careful to get them in there good, and make sure you don't break the insulation on any of these wires. Okay, they're back up in there good. Now I can go ahead and put this plate back on here. Now the new light came with the bracket, but I'm just going to use the old bracket because they do the same function. But right now it's tilted, so I got to turn it in a direction so that it'll be level, so that when I put the new fixture on there, it'll be setting level. Okay, that should be good and level right there. Tighten up these two screws. Okay, next thing I want to do is put the actual fixture on these two screws right here, and then tighten them down. Okay, these are a little bit too tight going back on, so I got me a nut driver to tighten it up with right quick. You don't want to tighten it too tight, just enough to make it go flush with the wall. And I've already got this side flush. Let me get a light bulb for it now. Okay, I went inside and got me a new light bulb, and I went ahead and turned my breaker back on. Okay, the bulb's in there. Let me step inside here and flip the light switch real quick. Let's see here. Okay, that got it working. That's all it took, was just replace the light fixture. So let me turn this off and put the globe back over. Okay, now this fixture cost a little less money, but I actually like the globe that came with this fixture. And so I had problems with the other one with wasps getting up inside of it. Let me tighten this down right quick. Okay, that is finished. It didn't take but probably about 15 minutes total to replace this. Very simple project that you can do your own self. Just remember all your safety precautions and be sure you turn your power off before you start working. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you will, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, and everyone have a great day.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.